This is Twit. It's time to talk about Surface Pro 7, Surface Laptop 3, and the excitement there. So last week, as Leo was talking to you, you mentioned that if we were to order a Surface Laptop 3, then it would arrive on Tuesday at some point in time for this show. So Mary Jo, did you get your Surface Laptop 3?
I did.
Is it in your lap right now?
It was.
It's all sandstony.
Sandstone. Kind of a rose gold-ish
It does,
color.
yeah. How is it light? What did you get, 13 or 15?
13.
Nice.
2.84 pounds. I looked it up to see how heavy it was. Here it is.
Oh, kitty. Now, that's a big old trackpad.
So actually, just so you know, Mary Jo has been, I would say, highly critical, but maybe that's a little harsh, of the Surface laptop.
Mm-hmm.
No, I think hate is the correct term.
Whoa.
Okay.
Hate. That's a strong word.
That's why I didn't get a review unit, I'm pretty sure. Because if you're Microsoft, and I don't blame them for this at all.
Right.
Like, why would you give somebody who every time they try out your machines, they're like, yeah, it's not that great. Right. So I haven't been getting any Surface review hardware for about a year, but I really wanted to try this out. So I bought one.
Okay.
I bought this because I know I can return it in 30 days if I decide not to keep it.
Now, I have to ask, pulling it out, opening it up and getting it into your hands and putting it on your lap. What are your first thoughts about it? How are you feeling about it now that you do have it? Like, does it even have a chance thus far?
It does.
Oh, Okay.
Yep.
Okay.
It's a beautiful machine, isn't it?
Man, the build quality of this machine is really something that you can be proud of. I mean, like when you look at it, you feel it. You see how easy it is to open. Like when they said that at the event, like, yeah, you can open it with one hand. I'm like, yeah, who cares? But now I'm like, oh, it is actually really easy to open. And this is early because I just got it yesterday, but I have been using it on my lap this morning, and it hasn't fallen off.
Nice. Well, speaking of build quality, that is a thing that I noticed when Elvis came in.
That's right. The blue suede.
You called it Elvis.
The blue suede shoes.
There it is.
The only thing I did was I took the plastic off of it and I opened the outer thing so I could see how difficult it was going to be to unbox so that it wouldn't be an awkward thing on the show. So I have not opened this machine or anything like that.
Neat.
So I'm going to ask you to do something really weird.
Of course.
Oh wait, did you get because you have the suede, the Alcantara, right?
I do have the Alcantara, yeah.
So you have to smell it for me.
Okay.
I know that sounds
so
weird.
I'll cast this to the side.
Yeah.
The plastic is still on it, but this already, the thinness, the handability, not lapability, but handability, and the blue, folks. This blue is gorgeous. So I'll take off the plastic here. Oh, that blue is so pretty. And we'll get this out of here.
It is really vibrant looking, isn't it?
Oh my word!
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll pop it open and I'll smell the chemicals.
I know it's weird.
Take a whiff.
Well, first of all, let me show you.
All right.
Yeah, ready?
Okay, here we go. Okay, yeah. It smells like dry erase markers.
Okay. Yeah, it's a chemical smell.
Yeah, and I was reading somewhere, I don't remember now, but it said that they put some sort of coating on there.
I think that's what it is. It dissipates in just a couple of days. But when I took the type cover out, it was overwhelming, and I was like, "This sounds familiar." And I went back, and it was the issue. This has been an issue for a few years, I guess.
Now, do I get stickers? Does Windows do stickers? No stickers.
No.
Okay, so throw that to the side.
Yeah.
Okay. So my support stuff. Oh, and here's the don't put Cheetos on your.
Yes.
Alcantara.
Oh, wow.
Right.
You can actually use soap and warm water, it says, on the Alcantara. That's nice. Hopefully I'm not, messy enough for that to be an issue.
I don't think, well, but you know what? So the odd thing is the original Surface laptop, I got a platinum one with Alcantara. Never had a problem. I used it extensively. I still use it. I love this machine. The second one I got, Surface Laptop 2, the black version, again with Alcantara. You can see it's like it's kind of sweaty wrist, like a palm print kind of thing.
Yeah.
And I don't think of myself as being particularly gross, but for some reason, that one, I just picked it up.
Now this is
I think different colors show the wear more, right?
It could,
What is this dealie?
So that's the power adapter.
So it has
uses
its
a magnetic. Yeah.
Yep.
Okay. Proprietary.
And if you notice in that charger brick, there's a USB port. And that doesn't connect through. It's not a dock, but it lets you charge a phone without occupying one of the ports on the machine.
That's really nice. That's really nice. Yep. Okay, let me get this.
Did you get the pen?
So
no. So I'm planning on ordering one.
You are?
Really?
Yeah, because I want to try it with the pen. Because the other day, I was at home and I had my MacBook sitting up on like a counter, and I was doing something, and I needed to stop the show or the music or whatever it was, and I reached out to the screen to pause it. I was like, "Oh right, this is my laptop. You can't do that there."
Well, you can touch the screen. If that thing doesn't lay flat, the pen may be less useful, right?
That's
It'd be a little slightly awkward.
Right.
Yeah, that's true. I think mostly I just kind of want to give it a go. Now, do we know? Well, I guess I could just try it if this comes with some charge already built in. Okay.
It did. Yeah, mine was charged like 75% when I got it out of the box.
Elvis is powering up.
Nice.
Yep. Elvis has entered the building.
Now this is. I'm excited to try the Windows Hello face stuff.
Yep, that works well.
Yeah. Oh, it's so lightweight.
I should say the last one of these I tried was Surface Laptop 1. And I'm impressed how far this has come from 1. I never got to try the 2, but even Windows Hello on this is a million times better than it was on the first generation. But, that's because of the software.
Do you feel like it's weighted differently? Do you think that
totally weighted
contributes
differently? 100% differently. Yeah. Before the problem was all the weight was in the top. So if you put it on your lap and you even touch the screen lightly, it almost tipped over.
Oh,
I almost tipped it over like a bunch of times. So I feel like they fixed the weighting issue. I'm not sure how, but they did.
Now, one of the things I noticed, the 13-inch. Oh no, Cortana's talking to me.
Yeah. Yep. See how startling that is?
You don't have to have that happen.
I don't like that at all.
Bottom left is a microphone icon. Tap that.
Thank you. Wait, I could just. Okay, cool. Is it? I want to make sure that I was correct about this, but I was looking through the specs when Leo slacked me during Windows Weekly and was like, "Hey, I want to get you one of these. Which one do you want?"
Sure.
And the 13.5-inch has newer Bluetooth than the 15-inch.
It's probably because then the 15-inch.
Yeah. The smaller one has. Let me go. I'm on the page.
Has Wi-Fi 6 versus 5.
That's what it was. Yeah, Wi-Fi 6 versus 5. Yeah.
It might be related. Wait, are they? Is it the AMD versus Intel thing? Is that the?
Oh,
the
okay.
Yep.
Okay, I didn't even know that. That's interesting. Okay.
Yeah. So for people who don't know, if you're a consumer, you have a choice of an AMD-based 15-inch Surface Laptop 3 or an Intel-based 13-inch. But if you're a business, you also have a choice of an Intel-based 15-inch, but not consumers.
Okay, so that it has to do with the chip that's in it. I was incorrect. The Bluetooth is the same across both. Yeah, it was the Wi-Fi that I was confused about, it being the newer version on the smaller one. But yeah, so I can touch the screen. You said, like with a finger, or it has to be.
If you want to.
What?
You can use your finger.
You can, if you want
to. Mary Jo, sounds like you're saying, no, don't do that.
I don't see why people do it, but you can.
Oh, jeez.
The option is available to me.
Yeah, that's right. That's right.
In those rare occasions where my brain wants to reach out and touch the screen.
Exactly.
I find myself a lot with laptops using it just to scroll through a document or a web page or something. Like it just seems like a normal thing to do.
I hate getting my fingerprints on there.
And I think too, if I was like showing somebody something and I wanted to just swipe from the edge of the screen, that's kind of fun.
Yeah.
Plus, it's different from a Mac, which is fun. I like that
Yeah.
there are different things happening here.